Would you say that you're prepared for the unexpected? Well, I thought I was too until January this year happened. So, January 23rd to be exact, my husband and I had an electrical fire in our home. It didn't happen on our side, but it happened on our tenant's side. But the main thing is that we had to evacuate. So our tenants had to evacuate, we had to evacuate, and thank God everybody is safe. But now, then, that's when we learned that we did not have enough insurance to cover our expenses. So we were trying to figure out, well, what the heck are we going to do now? We have to pay our mortgage, and also we have to pay for where we live at. So started looking around and stumbled across a program. A program that teaches you how to attract daily paying customers. Not weekly, not monthly, not bi-weekly, daily paying customers. And that got my attention. Why? Because I'm a retired teacher. I taught special needs students for 25 years, been retired almost 5 years now, and I was contemplating on going back to work. But now that I saw this thing, absolutely not. Let me tell you, I done messed around and got certified in digital marketing. So with the certification, you learn so much. You have access to so much information. You learn so much information that no one can take that information away from you. Okay? So we have 4 products. I decided to go with the flagship because I like to go all in. We get 100% commissions, and those commissions go straight to the payment processor of our choice. And the beauty of this whole thing is that we don't share the commissions with our mentor. So these products are already done for you. We already have an automated system that works for us 24/7, and all we have to do is learn how to create content that's going to attract daily paying customers. That is it. And when I saw that, I said, oh yeah, this is what I need. So I've been having a great time, been having success, and just communicating and being around people that are like-minded. It is a wonderful space to be in. So if this is something that you want to know a little bit more about, make sure below this video you comment blueprint, or you can just head over to my bio and click the link in my bio. It'll take you right to my link tree, and you want to tap the first tab in my link tree. It's going to take you over to my website. Put in your best email, because then from there I'm going to send you the blueprint, the exact blueprint that I follow. Okay, so make sure you do that. After you do that, you're going to meet my mentor. You're going to actually meet the creator of the program, and then she's going to show you step by step what you will be getting. And then you will be able to make an informed decision as to what package you want to get so that you can get started right away. So I look forward to hearing from you. Once you respond to that first email, let me know that you got it, and we can lock arms and we can rock this thing together. All right, so I'm signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.